Empenifo se enipa so ye bibi na se later akoda adwene ho na se ade aye ne wanye ne ya na okopa acho edesian Okatakyie famisa bonsu or the achopa abre former president of Ghana Nana Dankwa Akufo efa nsem a ye beko 24 election mu no Afrifa keka fa Akufo Addo ne na mamu ho keka de say ne mamu ni di ni onegu na nani mu ase e ma enu kra ka ho bi ana bato no Bawumia Elucien Afrifa e de chopa abre Akufo Addo mebo ne nsem no kana mo ti na za kire wadwen amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media meso say ni di mo obe like video no ada ma subscribe button so be click notification icon latest update na be kire wadwen di amame e wo comment section the current is on Facebook app so people say there's a serious tension in the MPP party ahead of their flagship race the camp of Bawumia and the camp of Canada compare kwa Japan say camp menu no emu there butu between Kwesi Kwati na oye ofri Canada Japan camp ana face no miracle abo aje no so Bawumia camp no sa akukura bienu we no omu anishia omu assistant okwapa e de huru so it is na party no epe bibia no kwan bia omefa so ama campus ni mienu nyina obetima akoma ko munya mo party ba akoma se Bawumia ye call primaries flagship race no da Bawumia area still ohia support from Kennedy camp enye sa Bawumia kwa camp entima na nwene 2028 election and as I can so we near ohia the people of Bawumia enye sa kan kwa entime enko wene 2028 election na say e wo so mo ya de bia just say e de asundwe eba camp menu entem enti Sunday twam ye no and Afrifa for the records or hosting peace dialogue for MPP party members most especially between the camp of Bawumia and the camp of Canada compare kwa Japan ewo Fiesta Royal I say Afrifa na taking whole court e bibia e ma otonza frɛ mrako aboaje
It's Sunday. What are you doing?
What are you doing here?
Oh, why? What are you doing here? Like, answer me. I just want to know what you're doing.
What are you doing?
Waiting for you. Waiting for me.
You need that.
Why?
Then it's who here.
Maybe someone said, Momo, you're the
Maybe
one. Maybe the one.
That's
how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. And I'll be before you on a million. Oh, more hard general. More hard general. I'll be able
Emma or that on Africa Kwesi Kwati
Bro, it's as a young man shows I'm
okay, bye.
okay.
Emma say or hera set up table say mraka aboaje ene Kwesi Kwati omu nyina atena ase eto nse didi ye ai na bibia aye fe
Oh, yeah. You're probably almost ready. Hi. Maybe you don't want to, so why is supposed to? My brother, my who have been my
How did the meeting go?
Oh, I think it went well. I mean, it's a very fruitful conversation. It's important that as a party we show a very united front. It's important that we stick together. I mean, whatever it is we are doing now is just an internal contest. The contest will be over in just about 6 months from now, and we would have to get out of this contest a very united front. Working together to unseat this very confused, incompetent NDC. I've already told you that they are very disruptive interlude. We're on a path of, growth as a country, of course, and that on that path we encountered challenges. They took advantage of these challenges and then misled the entire country, and now we are struggling. The only way we can get them out is to stick together, and I think that it's important that for all of us as MPP members across the country, we recognize this. So yes, I do not support Kwesi's candidates and Kobe's candidates, but it doesn't mean that
you support this candidate.
I mean, he's the richest candidate in our party. He's richer than Kwesi's candidate.
No comment on that. we are focused on. You are behaving well.
Exactly.
Don't mind this.
But I think that ultimately we are going to stick together and unseat this NDC
So it means that I'm not going to be throwing jabs at each other on social media anymore.
Oh, I mean, jabs surely not insult. Jabs not insult. I don't think that you need to insult another person to make a point, and I think that's very important. That all our followers should understand that it's a family contest, and you cannot be seen to be insulting each other. That I never subscribe to. I'm sure, and anybody that supports Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or even listens to Miracles will know that you cannot indulge in insult and be part of us. I am known for being factual and nothing insult, and I think that we should all learn from that and move with that. We are going to win the elections, but it should be without insult. Nobody should engage in any form of insult going into this election.
Kwesi Kwanti, are you going to speak to us as well?
So I English, so let me do it.
Me tuning about the young country. Me tuning about the country at that time. And to say, only miracles, more fine.
Many miracles. Oh, miracles, they say, a brand penny. Now, I said no person of Makaraka. Was me chase a many day, but I seem be anyhow. No credit, I do in the mechanic for the first time. Miracles, why a debut mammy? I will call now. Mekai Sabra and a bee. Sabra no MC, and a bee tomorrow. Na me young could be an pet teacher training college. You could see this. Emma would 2 car, a coy, first school day, a coupon, 1 hour, yeah. Training college or Sabra in admission. Subsequent was our call, or no 2 car for another school. No one or frame. Say, oh, when you're admission, and you will be a fine say, based on Hadia or your mamma, you will a boy a day, a man of pass and in your penny. And then if was watching me, Mamma's Mitchell will be so high. And the problem behind the Indian team. Say you say a funny affair and canon chess about this really made every fanco. And where they are, only one common enemy, and I use enemy in context. Say in terms of a political power 2 million. The enemy NDC, and yeah, so. And yes, sir. Say yeah, nay, yes, she. My name is everything. Say a fiesta consensus. Opening your monabaso on the minister and leader. Leader. Say one more team champion more winning abaso. It may not be the exact and absolute solution, but at least a symbolic. Say a funding in a. Say Dr. Brian Campo, say Dr. Bawumia Campo, say youngest can come on. The most important youngest can come on. The most important is that you consider that argument. Yeah, grassroots they are doing. Now yes, I said at the end of the day, you will be in a bit market wabo na ebuoko aso. As one party getting up with G2. That's the most important thing. 2020, we can't afford to lose it. And can send a very strong signal to the NDC. So I'm going to try because we are united more than ever. My name is 2020.
Etitri and internet Jerry Ahmed Munina Eba Hon maybe.
Ejana sana. Oh, please, leader. Join us, son. Join us, son.
Leader, I hear you were lifting metal.
Nice meeting you, brother.
Leader, welcome.
Leader, oh leader. Leader, oh leader. Leader, oh leader.
I feel this. If I remember, all right, guys, thank you.
Na ɛhɔ no mo no ɛne ne bloggers ɛkɔ no mo no interview Afrifa na Afrifa ɛde nsɛm to yas na ɛyɛ chop a wɔde ma Akufo ko bɛka ya yɛkɔ 24 about from 2022 ɛbɛnyare na Afrifa ɔno a stand against the party MPP ɛne Okɔ TV XYZ ya ne ɛhɔ de ɔkɔ dem Akufo in fact odi Akufo da tem nyina ɛsɛ di Bawumia tem keka bi kyerɛ ɔno ane party eka kyerɛ Ghana for wese Ghana for to ma Bawumia se Ghana for agimi pa bi se Bawumia ene Akufo ene ebu oman ana ankoye ezom sa to ma Bawumia se Ghana for agimi je se Afrifa eke kan sem emeto Ghana for tirim efi se empanifo bi se bomochichi efiri nso abeka jo den chime ye ne akyinye ene Afrifa so no one party ne nam ezoro no pie ba no akeka dan sem na se ye gidi ana se ntino ni nyina ka ho bi ene se ebegu Akufo da ho fi ema ebi kan Bawumia say about 2024 no Bawumia anweni a olusu ye ntino eva change in fact send you see turning against on one party and say you see cassette Akufo ne ba any Bawumia 2024 ne de en tweye eti Afrifa e pa chel e wo hono
Maybe my question about maybe so first from minister yes say una wo say nyama o party I don't know una wo say can
Me na me say near more party ni mu.
me can your comment section for can.
So me na me say near more.
One of more social.
I said do konsi ono na be boy hina. Enti se okoba se me no a omo na ase me say near more party ni mu. Me da so da ye nam say. Ene near na ye say ne party na hu hia bio. I said be bread you asan Paul kan se mo se me ya bofra me ye me near ma sa bofra. Na me nyini ye no so me ye me near ma se pani. Me atena se ni ehunu se emre bi atwa mu ani ade bi kura no asem na mpese me ka kire me party for no nya se de me kan no na na ye wrong ne mum kwan ya be fa so abeka no ti me no a me ye no a ene no se bi wo ye play me am voice back edwuno am se da bi na ka metimi aka no kwan foforo so I am the best person in the best position to advise me nuanom no se ene ma ne bebre wo ha wo ye ne na won hye de ohunu nsunsuaso a wo so kyena na so akoye so obi asabi wa fa no bonia na adu ba bi no wajai so otu afofrofo se adu boni we be se wa wono no nye se theory no ka ho asem eye from experience and wo ka ho asem edi se adasan na dwen se o mere bi atwa mu na bibi fa Dr. Mamadu Bawumia ho bibi fa kena Japan ho bibi fa nemo mekai nya se de me kan na masesama dwen ebi se ne no ye de tumi maye ni esa ba ye nneoma bi basa se de bi ayeye no no meka ne the same thing nanso na me se minim se akola ne nsufin e wo ho na akola ne ho ye fi a ye nto ne nsufin ni nyina ngunti no meka will be a bit measured in the way I go about them. That is how come I dreamt about it na no mo some questions say wo de wadru hoping what can be pain what hunu pain ti wo pen na betimi asa kwa ka kira da sane se ene ye sansam no wan hwe yi na wo kan ne menuan mo social media obi ani mo brempo ahyase ebia na ochena bi kura no wo ba be di party no anim na nsam wa kan no no ye bebo akire wo media me ya dansidie enti obi aka bia me ne ya adwene de me ka kire me party bia no me nu me ho okwan a me fa so kan ne nso nya asem am kan ense na wodwen se Dr. Mamadu Bawumia odi party n'anim a enye yi a hwan na adwen se odi party n'anim be Brian na Kennedy na ko ka kira adasa no se Brian ne Kennedy betimi adi animu na mum we na yere ayesei we no okoy no kopa we eno no wo de ton wo party ana wo candidate a enye yi enso ye bewie no no wamma opposition no ammunitions o mo de be ne man ti se o mo yese wo na wo se no na ye ni a You are saying on one nim kwan fa so yeni. No nti na me to nsa frɛ me nua no mo sɛ. Umra ni nim komo. Na me fa me experience no. Enka bibi nkyerɛ mo. Ne yɛhwɛ sɛ kwan bɛ ne yɛ kɔ yɛ nim no. Wo nsɛm a bɛka. If say name anybody who and they both play back to me. Honestly, and you're pleasant. Oh well, and you're pleasant. Not that as some no kind. And I keep saying, you have contest where they are pointing out will be flaws. Now what can wo the end buru ni pane dia so. Now so kwa be na wo fa so aka no. Who didn't attempt to the point afi ye near si be di na chi mi yanko a wontimi nka na. I am a best example. So when I'm speaking to my brothers, they should listen. I believe that as a party, there are so many things that we've gotten wrong. There are also so many things that we've gotten right. Name say even 20%, 10% nienya the right. Oh no nya opportunity na wabadi ebia beka wa na could do 30, 40, 50. Do benya kwanya no so. Na nso mi adwiri 20 no a yenya ne nyina no out of anger. Ebedu bebe no ahwe ya na ntwe. Nti de obisa ne kwan so. And me so no nti na nam so ma me frɛ me to lead the MPP to power. That's the most important. Honorable Jerry, so please speak to Honorable Jerry.
Don't come and ask me
What did you say?
because I'm supporting MPP.
Well, wouldn't me ask you who you are supporting?
Yes, because I know how you think. Are you benefiting from the 71 million? That was
71 million.
Yeah, from the is it Minister of Communications or yes? When they promised the people they are going to do Women's Bank, they brought in 51 million, and that has zero has been allocated to Women's Bank. I mean, all this coming, you can't see. It's just for MPP to understand that we need to be together, and we are good to go. And that's why I'm more excited about this masterpiece by Okatakyie Afrifa. It serves a certain notice that we are young, we are energetic, we are vibrant, we have come together. We are not going to take any nonsense from anyone who is an aspirant. We believe that our party can do Ghana better, and that is why we need to come together. For me, that's most critical for me. I'm not interested in who is incompetent and who is setting the Ghanaian people and say they are resetting. No, I'm not. I'm interested in how we can work harder and better and in unison and get back power. That's most important. I'm not going to stand here and I'll be talking about why the president had not, as of today, spoken about the brutality that was meted out to our community and the women during the Black minority elections. I won't waste my time talking about it. I would rather waste my time if I will spend my very important time talking about how we should escalate this conversation here, this Fiesta Royal consensus, and as young men and women who believe that this is a party that would give you the best, to see how best we can marshal our forces together and win back power. That for me is critical.
Okay, so Honorable, how do you seek to, as a senior member of the NPP party, how do you seek to bring on board the foot soldiers and the party?
First of all, I'm not a senior member. I'm a member of the party. I'm a member of the party that believes that for us to win this election, all is based on our grassroots. Yes. I mean, let them understand that you cherish them. Let them understand that whatever they are doing, they stand to be beneficiaries of same. Don't let them feel that you are going to use and dump them. And for me, that is critical. When people know that they are the owners of the party, you own a car. I mean, what you would want to do is to keep the car. Do anything and everything to maintain the car. So let them understand that they are the owners of the party. It doesn't take so much. It takes recognition. It takes acknowledgement. It takes gratitude. It takes humility. And let them understand that you're willing to serve them. But if you think that they should be serving you, then yes, you rot wherever you find yourself.
Thank you. But the peacemaker, your final word.
That's a correct question.
Right, so my final words are very simple. We all have one party, one family to protect. The love of the family we belong to is what actually made us think about this initiative. Now, we have a duty to play, all of us. Na da bia no me da me so da ya me busa senti hwan na ba be ni na mo busa me say na wo de wo ye a echi so say me ya me dia pretty much obiara nso betumi ayi bi nyɛ sɛ Okatakyie nko na anya nyɛ Dennis nko ɛnyɛ leader Ahmed nko na mmom baabi a wowɔ biara no you brighten the corner where you are. That is the only surest way for us to come together as a family and make sure that the party that we belong to become attractive again to the youth, to the general public. Then we sell our message to them. This initiative is not the end in itself, but it's the beginning of the end to whatever we intend to see. I just pray that maybe I know the essence of say, yeah, unify between Akwasam. And like I keep saying, being an example of it, without having to be too much of an acrimonious character and abrasive. So without being abrasive, you can still sell your message. Without being acrimonious in nature, you can still sell your message. When we get that, and after this, January 31st, whoever emerges as a winner, I promise that I'm going to support that person 101% to get the ultimate goal of winning the power to serve the people. Thank you very much.
Constituency Ben now running 2020.
What's it there? Aqua, we want petrol. 1957, we want petrol. Oh, me chef just a East for. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, me free of just a East constituency. I'm gonna. We are Mwase, Jamase, Kofi Ayi. I can't say. Bipua.
I'm sure we need 2020. I'm sure we need 2020.
Samai. Akrofonso. Funfuni. Dabai. I'm sure we need 2020. Dome Amanase. Ediba ɛhɔ nyinaa no kokoti asua ɛwɔ na mfiri ne kura ne sɛ ɔmo nyinaa yɛ MPP fo ɔmo party ni nya akɔ no. Thank you. Brian Dr. Brian
em say efiri agroya sese na Brian eka say ade ehu hia pa ma MPPs ebrei ye beka ehu abom sɛ Brian ebedi party anim na sa party na adwudwa nkunbi ntimi mba MPP the yesre ekuoma wona wotie wona ohwe na sɛ mene menu anom panifo ye nyina yakan ho abom na yesre sɛ won so a wo hwe ye won kan ho mbom akanfo sɛ prayo yi ba ko a ebu okabom na ayeye sorry every way every a yeduma wo se ye nyina hu sɛ okono ye MPP ko sɛ MPP ko na ye di MPP fo na ye kwa ko kwasi kan ni ene ne kokon nya MPP fo ni NDC fo na ekoko na oyo den ne MPP fo ko no ne NDC fo akoko ntimi nuanom a ye ni na abre ye prepare se de obedi party anim no ye di kan se o se ma ye kasa ho ye de ete ni etosu bio no se o se de nidie ani obuo eba party ni sabio anya ye kobi wo na se o soro na se o kasa tie na se nipa na wo kasa tie na o ye obusu apani mpo anka we de open inti yesre se de asie bia no ebri yebra yesre se yebeka na ho ayde abom na yekọ 31st January de obedi nkunim bia no enko ye den ma afane afase yebeba bebom na yebekọ ko 2028 na mom se yetwitwa ye ho achi na safe de yebekọ to abawe ni yetimi ma emeka ye ho mom nko pretumi na na abadzo na ekoto na ye anas enye inti ebri de yesre se money na ide yenka bom de wadi nkunim de wadi nkugo no ye to aba ne wie na abeba na ye da kopito me Brian asema okan no ebi ne akire bio na yetimi ye ne sanso de na nkunim die no 2028 ye ni na abesre na de Jomama ne incompetent NDC for ye ide am say ye YouTube say na ye kaza Ghana for bebre a won dada won kan hurudo dan sem no won nya hu kamunya na nka MPP za so tiasa na se MPP beba biwa na ye nkabom se ye de corporate me ye da masese ye mbenifo to nsafra mu na amaba ye sremo apesamkafo ye firi he ye de adesre de mam se mo amma sansan machi nkoka da yanka na nka yetinye de embo nde hu hia beda kwase
wada se etinipa de edipa de eso oya de na wa okodadwo nsi wanyi ni a enye fele because odi nka ye do wan fele is why we say why oya from so a ye nsa fele je Afrifa e de chopa abre former president of Ghana and a former vice president e fa ne nsem a in fact and the tone we a osi e kasa ye e huru wo mu e yo matantan de e wo Ghana kroma no wo beto a kire wa adwene ama me ɛwɔ comment section. Aha yɛ Penyah Block Media. Agra.